Factorize the expression 3x squared minus 8x plus 4. Find the product of 3 and 4, which is 12. Two factors of 12, which will add to give us minus 8. They are minus 2 and minus 6. Multiply each by x and replace the minus 8 term with these two terms. That is 3x squared minus 2x minus 6x plus 4. Factorize by grouping x out, 3x minus 2 minus 2 out, 3x minus 2. Finally, 3x minus 2, x minus 2.